Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the second question in exercise 7.9. So if you look at the two subdivisions, it's of the form integral e power x into some function x squared plus 2x in the first case and x plus 1 in the second case. So we can match this to the formula integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So let's see that. So first you have e power x. So on comparison that works to be same. Then there is an f of x. If you assume x squared is f of x, let's differentiate x squared. So you get 2x. So you see that plus f dash of x is there. So we can directly apply in this particular formula. So according to the formula, this is e power x into f of x. So here we have placed f of x as x squared. So this means e power x into x squared plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So here also e power x into x plus 1. So if you see f of x is going to be equal to x, that means f dash of x on differentiation of x is just 1. So you see this is also f of x plus f dash of x. So the formula is e power x into f of x. So the f of x we had is x. So this is just e power x plus e power x into x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.